For the next stage of this, I'm going to show you that I've replaced all the play-filled lights with LEDs. Those so far are all regular LEDs. These two are flashers. And then I added 2 flashers on the back box. So I'll show you what they look like once I get everything put back together. Okay, so the top of this doesn't look any different. It's the same flipper, but on the bottom I got my second flipper assembly installed. So it's coming off of a secondary power supply, which you can see sitting down there, because I didn't want to tie into the existing power. I've got my button wired there, and when I hit that, it goes. So I'm going to button this up and show you what the lights look like. Alright, I'm not going to bother with hooking the tripod up. I just want to show you that the game is on. There's the new LEDs, 2 flashing in the back box or back glass. 2 of the pop bumper lights are flashing. I could have bought more flashers, but this is the original design of the game, with 2 of the bumpers flashing and 2 of the bumpers on all the time. Lights there, lights here, and I'll show you that now, unlike the way this game was originally designed, each flipper operates independently.